Welcome back, guys. Today we're doing consumer arithmetic. The subtopic is wages. Let's get started. Now, wages is a fixed regular payment. Sometimes persons are paid daily, some weekly, some monthly, fortnight, where fortnight is every 2 weeks. Now, it's important for us to be able to note how to calculate our basic wage, how to get our basic rate, and sometimes basic week. Here, I call this my magic triangle. How do I interpret this? If I want basic wage, then basic wage is equal to basic rate times the basic week or fortnight. If I want my basic rate, then basic rate is equal to basic wage divided by basic week. And if I want my basic week, then it's or fortnight, it is basic wage divided by basic rate. Let's use this triangle. This question says a girl works a basic week of 35 hours and her basic rate is $4.50 per hour. Calculate her basic wage for the week. So I am going to label this as B for basic wage, BR for basic rate, and for basic week, BW. So because I want the basic wage, it is equal to the basic rate times the basic week. The basic rate is $4.50, so I will have $4.50, and the basic week, this is the amount of hours that we work for the week. So basic week is the 35 hours. So this is saying in a week you worked 35 hours. So how much should you be paid? So in order to do that, what you have to do is multiply. So multiply $4.50 times 35. So it means your pay for the week is $157.50. That's it. That's your basic wage for the week. The next question, a man works a basic week of 82 hours and earns $452.50. Find the basic rate of pay. Once again, labeling basic wage as B. That's my label. Basic rate as BR. And basic week or fortnight as BW. Since we're asked for the basic rate, which is this, so basic rate is equal to basic wage, because on the top of the triangle, all over, because this is below, it's all over basic week. So to calculate the rate, the basic wage is $452.50, and the basic week, which is the amount of hours you work for the week, is 82 hours. So divide it. So you have $452.50 divided by 82. So that means you are making $5.52 per hour in order to earn $452.50 for the week. Now, sometimes, we like overtime because we are going to get extra money. So the overtime wage is the overtime rate times the overtime hours worked. So the amount that you work, overtime, and overtime rate is the new rate that you'll be paid. So we have our basic rate. That's the amount you sign your contract to be paid. But sometimes short staff need someone to come on and work. So it's very enticing when workers hear overtime because they know it's extra money and the rate is different from your normal rate. So when you hear overtime, you said, okay, it's gonna double the rate. So double mean twice the rate. Time and a half mean 1.5 times the normal rate that you'll be paid. And sometimes triple. Who don't want triple the rate? A woman works 40-hour a week for which she is paid $765.50. She works 8 hours overtime on Saturday, which is paid for at time and a half, and 3 hours overtime on Sunday, which is paid for at double time. Calculate her gross wage for the week. So how much is she carrying home for the week? Now, before I look at the gross wage, I wasn't given the rate. You first need the basic rate. And the basic rate, let's call it BR, is equal to the basic pay over the amount of hours that you work, which is the basic week. Remember the magic triangle? So it is $765.50 divided by the 40 hours. That's the amount of hours this lady is working for the week. So $765.50 divided by 40, that will give me $19.14. So this is the basic rate. Now, when you're doing overtime, what's happening? For overtime, we have to calculate the new overtime rate because if I'm working overtime at time and a half, it means that the rate is no longer $19.14, but the rate will be 1.5 times this. So it's a new rate. So on Saturday, so I'm going to write SAT. The rate changed because this person works 8 hours overtime, but the new rate is at time and a half. Time and a half is the same as 1.5. So the new rate, let's just say rate, it will be 19.414 times time and a half, which is 1.5 or 1.5. So this will give me my new rate. So $19.14 times 1.5, which is a time and a half, the new rate is $28.71. So this is the new rate that this person is getting on a Saturday. So for 1 hour, you'll be paid $28.71. But the person worked 8 hours. So it means to find out the amount that is paid on Saturday, it is $28.71 times the 8 hours. So the amount being paid just for working on Saturday is $229.68. Wow. Let's look on Sunday. So on Sunday, I'm going to write SUND. So let's look on Sunday. So on Sunday, this person is paid differently. So the rate on Sunday, it's double the amount, double the time. So it means the rate will be 19.14 times 2, because double is twice the amount. So 19.14 times 2, the new rate, is rather enticing, is $38.28. That's a lot. Now, that's how much you're paid for 1 hour on a Sunday. But this person worked for 3 hours. So it means to find out the new rate, it's going to be $38.28 times 3 hours. So multiply by 3. So therefore, on Sunday, this person is making $114.84. So how much did this person bring home for that week? So we have to find the totals. So the gross wage is the amount that this lady worked for the week, which is $765.50. That's the amount, the normal pay. But on Saturday, she made $229.68. So on Saturday, $229.68. And on Sunday, $114.84. So on Sunday, $114.84. So we have to find the total for these, adding the Sunday, Saturday, and weekly wage. So the gross, we are going to find the total $765.50 plus $229.68 plus the $114.84. So for that week, this person is making $1,110.02. That's the gross wage. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.